Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 21A. Words with kasra. Remember the two sets here. Thick and high, which is qi, khi, and ghi. And very thick and high, si, di, ti, di. Remaining letters are thin. Ri is not thick, okay? Ri is thin. So let us start with thin letters first. And this is a very simple lesson. After me. Hiya, hiya, lima, lima, sami'a, sami'a, amila, amila, idha, idha. These ones have alif mad in them. Biha, biha, bima, bima, lima, lima. Now we'll take thick and high letters. Only when we have thick and high letters in a word, we will do the actions. So let us split them and join them. Qi, ya, mati, qi, ya, mati, qiyamati, qiyamati. آخرتي 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 طاغيتي 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 طاغيتي. Let's take very thick and high letters now. Even though in Taghiyati we had very thick and high letter. But anyway. Si. Ra. Ta. Si. Ra. Ta. Sirata. Sirata. Ra. Di. Ya. Ra. Di. Ya. Radiya. Radiya. Ba. باطلي 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 باطلي. Now when we do these actions, it helps us to control our attributes, and also explain and learn. So I say si, ra, ta. These actions are very useful. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.